Hi, I'm Lisa from Shawnee, and I'm here today to share a quick and easy, inexpensive little gift that you can make for teacher gifts at school, co-worker gifts, maybe little things you want to give to the mailman or whatever. This is so simple and so easy. Even the kids can get involved. It's a very economical craft and it turns out great at the end. So what we're making today is Fiesta dry dip mix. And we're going to go through making the whole mix, and then I'll show you at the end the finished product. So simple, easy, quick, and inexpensive. I have small snack size Ziploc bags. I have parsley, minced onion, chopped chives, chili powder, cumin, and salt. This is coarse sea salt. You probably could use any kind of sea salt. It's just what I had at home. So what I'm going to do, you can mix this directly into the bag, and if you have a little helper, it might be easy to mix it into the bowl, but you can simply mix directly into the bag, or I'm going to use a bowl. So we're going to each take a teaspoon and a half of each of our spices. First we do the parsley. I'm using a half teaspoon measuring spoon here, so I'm doing 3. Teaspoon and a half of that. A teaspoon and a half of the minced dried onion, 3/4 of a teaspoon of the chopped chives, so I'll do 1 full one and then 1/2. Again, a teaspoon and a half of the chili powder. Now, here's where you can get exotic and creative. You can buy fancier chili powder, ancho chili powder, or if you like it a little spicier, you can have chipotle chili powder. This is really a preference thing. And then, of course, we're going to do only half a teaspoon of cumin. I'm a big cumin fan. I would probably put more in, but we're going to do this just as the recipe says. And then we're going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix that together. Just mix it in the bowl with your little spoon and dump it into your snack bag. And attached to the description of this recipe is a free downloadable with the label and all that you need. They print 2 on a sheet. I printed it off on bright green paper. I did some with red. And after you close your zipper bag, you simply take the label and fold it over the top of the bag and staple. Make sure you staple above the zipper because you don't want to put a hole in your bag. And there you go, a quick, easy, inexpensive gift that you can give, and this is something I think everyone will enjoy. Your kids can have fun helping you make them. I spent less than $5 or $6 on everything. I've made 7 or 8 little bags. It's all ready to go. The label includes a little to and from. On the back, instructions how to make the completed dip. You simply add cream cheese or sour cream or mayonnaise or all. Mix it up, add the mix. It works great. Let it sit for a little bit before you eat it. Crackers, veggies, however you want to make. You can make this more spicy or less spicy. You can make it healthier with using Greek yogurt or maybe light sour cream. Leave out the mayonnaise, whatever you choose. Enjoy!